Welcome back. Days after Jodhpur court gave Ahmedabad police 14-day custody of Asaram so that he could be questioned about the rape allegation made against him by two Surat women, the self-styled Godman will be taken to Gujarat today. Sources say that after landing in Ahmedabad, Asaram will most likely be taken from the airport to an undisclosed location near Gandhinagar for questioning. Sources also adding that the city police are worried about questioning Asaram Bapu, as that may lead to a backlash by his devotees in the state. Sources adding that said that members of the probe team met Gandhinagar police officials on Sunday to chalk out a security strategy for handling any untoward situation after Asaram is brought to the state. Police, remember, are yet to find co-accused named in the complaint by a 32-year-old woman, including Asaram's wife and daughter.
बस हम इसका पोजीशन लेने के लिए आए हैं और कागजी कार्यवाही 90% खत्म हो गई है। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का जो प्रश्न है एंड सुरक्षा की जो बात है, इसके बारे में मैं आला अफसरों से इस संपर्क में हूँ और कैसे ले जाए और कब यहाँ से लिया जाए, इसमें संपर्क में हूँ। उसका डिसीजन हो जाने के बाद हम उसका कब्जा ले लेंगे।
Dev Ankur now joining us on the phone line from Jodhpur. Dev, a lot of precautionary measures need to be taken considering the authorities are fearing a backlash once Asaram is brought to Gujarat.
Well, that is true. In fact, what the police would be attempting to do is to ensure that there is a foolproof security cover while Asaram is taken from the Jodhpur Central Jail towards the airport. What the jail authorities and the police, in consonance with the Gujarat police, is planning to do is to ensure that it's able to take away Asaram from jail, the Jodhpur Central Jail, to airport, and there is no mishap or no eventuality, no untoward incident happening towards on the way from the Jodhpur Central Jail and the airport. That is what it will be attempting to do. Also, the flight from which Asaram will be taken from Jodhpur to first to Mumbai and then to Ahmedabad. It's a Jet Airways flight. It will take off at 1:15 p.m. from Jodhpur, and it would be landing in Mumbai, and from there it would be taken to Asaram would be taken to Ahmedabad.